Hello guys, my name is Sakode. This video I'll walk you through step-by-step process of deleting a custom URL of your YouTube channel name. So to start, you click on Chrome browser, then in the address bar you type youtube.com, then you log in with your email and password. So that you click on profile icon, then you click on your channel, then click on customize channel. Click on basic info. Then in customer URL, you'll find the YouTube name. Then you click on delete to delete the YouTube name. By clicking delete, you click on next on about tab. Then you click on remove custom URL to remove the custom URL of your YouTube channel. Click remove. Now the channel has been removed from your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime I upload a new video. Again, in the description below, click on link to the post. You'll find more information on how to delete a customer URL on your YouTube channel. Thank you.